It's Susan, and today I'm going to do a reverse dip on a tile, ceramic tile that I got from the secondhand store. The only thing I did was clean it with alcohol. That's it. I didn't put anything else on it. And I'm going to put a white background. And my paints are mixed with Floetrol. I use house paint, Artist Loft, Flow acrylic paint, half and half about. And I add I have 4 parts of paint to 1 part of Floetrol, and then water. Okay. In a circular pattern, I'm going to add some paint. I've got bronze metallic. Well, not a circular, not like a swirl. I'm just doing circles. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. I'm going to do one more on the outside. This is bronze. My paints are fairly thick that I use. I'm going to show you close up. Runs off the stick and leaves a bit of a mound in the bottom of the cup, or the top of the cup. Alright, I'm going to use cobalt blue next. Okay. Now, Reflex Rose. And I'm going to add some gold to that. Where's my gold? Just going to put a bit of bronze in the middle. Now I've got white pearl metallic. I'm just going to swirl this one on. Okay. I've got some Kim whites, they're called. And I cut them to size, and I'm not wetting them. They're fairly thin. I guess a little bit thinner than a paper towel. but I find they work good. Okay, I'm going to do this. So I'm just going to lay it over top of the paint. I moved it. Gosh. Okay, I'm just going to pat down any air bubbles. Too many air bubbles. Okay, I'm not going to pat the outside because it'll take off too much paint. Probably takes off a lot anyways. Lift the corners up. And then just slowly lift. Okay. Turned out okay. Gonna pop any air bubbles. I'm going to fix up the edges with some more white. I will bring it in for a close-up for you. Okay, I will show you the dried results at the end. Thanks for watching.